But without Amazon ads, you are playing a small game. And today I want to explain why Amazon ads are not optional if you want to scale this business seriously. First, let's be clear about something. Self-publishing is not about writing the next great novel. As self-publishers, we build products, guides, manuals, cookbooks, practical books. We find demand, we create a product, today often with AI, and we sell it on Amazon. That's the business. But here's the problem. Most people stop after publishing. They upload the book and then they wait. And waiting is not a strategy. Without advertising, you are playing at school level. If you want to play the adult game, the real game, you need Amazon ads. Not Facebook ads, not Instagram ads. Amazon ads. Because that's where people are already searching to buy. A lot of people are scared of ads because they think, I don't want to lose money. But Amazon ads are pay per click. You only pay when someone actually clicks on your book. No clicks, you paid zero. If people click, it means they are interested. Your only job is to turn that click into a sale. So, why are Amazon ads essential? First, visibility. With Amazon ads, you can appear on page 1 immediately. You don't have to wait months for the algorithm to notice you. You pay and you show up. Second, traffic. You can place your book inside your competitors' product pages. They pay to bring traffic and you appear next to them. Business is not polite, it's efficient. Third, data. Ads tell you the truth. No clicks, your cover is weak. Clicks but no sales, your description or positioning is wrong. Amazon ads are not just traffic, they are feedback. Now let's talk about money. Ads are not a cost, they are an investment. If you spend $4 on clicks and those clicks generate $14 in royalties, you didn't lose money, you multiplied it. If you had a machine like that, would you stop using it? Of course not. That's how scaling works. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated. Keywords, bids, ASINs. That's exactly why we built Automads. It's a system that manages Amazon ads automatically. No micromanaging, no emotional decisions, no spreadsheets at midnight. You focus on finding good products. The system handles the ads. We built these after years of managing ads at scale, with real money. This is not theory, this is operations. So stop treating self-publishing like a lottery ticket. If you want consistent results, 5-figure months, predictable growth, you need traffic. And on Amazon, traffic means ads. Start small, optimize, scale. If you want to learn how to do this properly or let the system do it for you, check the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!